I'm just gonna yell. Because that lavalier, the wireless mic, it's not reliable, man. And I'm not gonna do like monologues of 8 minutes, 10 minutes long and then find out that there's no sound, you know? I have to do it all over again. See what I'm talking about, guys? So look at here. Oh, come on. Do I have to take that dipstick thing off too? No. You see what I'm talking about? Oh, it's a plastic ring gear. So this plastic ring gear means that it has the aluminum teeth ring attached to the flywheel. That's why you have to use the plastic one. I don't like the plastic ones. But it looks like it's mounted the same exact, the bracket is the same, you know? Let me see if I have another starter that's a plastic gear. So I do have one. But the plastic ring gear is not it's not in great condition, but I think it'll work anyway. So first of all, I'm going to take a 7/16. This has been grinded down so it fits in between here. You know, you need the thin one, right? So you need like 2 7/16 just to ensure that you don't mess this up. So you hold the inner one and you loosen the outer one. Sometimes you turn this too hard, this one wants to turn too, and if you turn that one, it'll pull the wire right out of the thing that's holding the brushes. Pain in the butt. Happens a lot. Getting these thin wrenches is very useful. I know they make them, but if you have extra whatever sitting around, you can make your own. This little clip here holds the stator wire down so that the teeth don't grind it and break it. I've done it before. Break it, I mean. This one is always in the way, so you need like a wrench to loosen it. Get the best leverage. There we go. Yeah, there's one of those electric cars. Drives by like you're in Back to the Future or something. Doesn't make any noise. Makes that turbine noise. So this starter looks really old. I'm thinking, I mean, it starts. You know what I mean? You guys know this starts, but it just takes a little bit. Sometimes it goes like it clicks. You know, like it's just not strong enough to turn it. So here we go. This is the starter for the Toro. See how this doesn't look like the other one? Let me get the other one, I'll show you. We'll do a comparison. Here's my other starter with a plastic ring gear. See, this one's, I mean, it's there, you know, it's just a little beat up, that's all, but it should work. Anyway, so here's the comparison, see? The bracket looks the same, but the head looks different. Maybe I should count the teeth, huh? Looks the same. Oh hell, I'm going to count the teeth. So I just put the starter on. I put it on a little wrong before. When I assembled this, I think I rebuilt this one, right? This is supposed to be on the other side, but I'd have to take it back off and take the whole thing apart and put it back together again. But I just stretched this a little bit. It ought to work. Well, let's see if it works. I'm going to crank it and see. I just tested the battery. I've got 12.7 volts, so that's more than enough. So it's not the battery, really. Let's crank it and see, man. Choke. Ah, you see, it cranks much faster now. it says quiet right here. So I put the cover back on, and look, it starts great. Nice. This is great because that's not a new starter. This is a starter that I made with like 2 or 3 other broken ones. So I made a starter for it to work. That runs great. Pretty satisfied now. Now I feel pretty good about selling this because before it used to just like click, 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 and then it does start easily, but it's just the starter needed to be better, you know? So this is a much stronger starter now. It's a good engine, you know? Anyway, I'm pretty happy with this. Put that to bed. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me along this daily vlog that I have. Today we replaced the starter on this Toro Wheelhorse 1238 XL. Nothing to it! See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.